Hey, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Victoria, and today I'm super excited. I'm going to be sharing 9 minimalist camping tips with you. So, keeping everything in a bin like this helps you stay organized. It's helped me stay super organized, and it also keeps the flies away, the ants, all that crazy stuff that comes out when you go camping. So tip number 1, take food from home. This has helped us save money, and it's also just helped not let anything go to waste, because when you go on vacation or on a trip, your food will normally stay in the fridge and go to waste. And I've noticed every time I just take what we have at home and we use it while we go camping or on a road trip, we use everything and nothing goes to waste, and it just makes me feel better. I will also leave these condiments in the bin, so when we go camping, everything's already in the bin. I will also take cereal. These were like the very last bits I had in the kids' cereal boxes, and I just thought, you know what, I'm taking them with us, and the kids actually ate them, so that was pretty awesome. And this is my granola cereal that I like to eat in the morning, something quick and easy. And another thing I want to mention is that I do love to cook when we go camping. I will normally make breakfast for everybody when everyone's up. I like to make pancakes and eggs and all of that. So I will just take whatever we have at home, and what I don't have, I will go and buy after I'm done packing. And we had a few granola bars sitting around, and I just packed those too. And I love peanut butter, so it just comes with me everywhere I go. Tip number 2, instant coffee. This has made breakfast a lot easier. We warm up hot water in our little kettle, and it works out perfectly. Tip number 3, reusable cloths and drying mat. I really like these unpapered towels. I love that we get to use them, and when we're done, I put them in a bag. When we're done, I bring them back home and wash them, and we can use them again. And same with these. I like taking this extra cloth to just, keep flies away from food, and this placemat to place all the clean dishes on when I'm done washing them. Tip number 4, reusable kitchenware. This is one of the things that I highly recommend doing when you go camping. Take anything that you can reuse, anything in your kitchen that you can wash and reuse. And I normally will take the kids' water bottles, I will take our reusable mugs, and I am working on getting myself one, so I just took my regular coffee mug. And these are just my kids' reusable cups that I use in case I will juice some orange juice or just give them juices. And these plates, I keep them, all of these little plates you see here, I keep them in the bin. And I do this because these are just for camping and nothing else, so these will just stay in the bin. There is 1 plate for each person in our family. We are a family of 4, so there is 4 plates, 4 bowls, 4 of everything. And I do take reusable straws, reusable utensils, and again, I love just doing this because you just wash everything and reuse it again for the next meal. This is another thing I recently purchased. I bought this on Walmart for like $1.75. Super handy. Keeps your eggs in place and they don't break when you open anything or when you place them in the cooler. And this is the water kettle we have. This is perfect for 2 cups of coffee, and I really like it. It's super tiny and it fits perfectly in our bin. Tip number 5, cleaning cloth and spray bottle. I like to keep this in the car when we are driving to our camping site, and I also bring it down with me to just keep things clean because I do have 2 kids, and this is just super helpful to have with me at all times. Tip number 6, dish soap and scrubber. This is just some Dawn soap in a repurposed jar, and I have here a dish scrubber for the dishes. Tip number 7, coffee frother. I actually found this to be very helpful while camping. I love to just make smoothies on a daily basis, and I found this to be super helpful. I did not have that little bouncy ball that these shake bottles have, And I just thought, hey, we have a coffee frother. I'm gonna use it to make my smoothie. And guys, it actually worked pretty good. So that's just another tip I wanted to throw in there. Tip number 8, reusable storage bags. I really like to take these on road trips. And one of the things I noticed was that it contained my dog's food smell really well. So I really like that. And I also like that when we get home, I just wash these out and we reuse them again. So that's one of the things that I really like about using them. Tip number 9, camping checklist. I highly recommend you print one of these out, put it in your bin, and it just helps you visually see what you need to take, what you're missing, what you could possibly have at home to take on your trip to help you save money. Well, that completes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I will catch you very soon on the next video. Bye!